Hello guys! Today we're gonna be doing episode 2 of Battle Cats. So, I already posted a few videos on this. In the last episode, we gained a legendary and an uber, super, and a few supers and rares. I changed my team a bit and I upgraded some of my cats. So I got the gold macho cat, Sir cat up 1 level, and the weightlifter cat up a few levels. And I also got the Dr. Heaven to level 8, so I can almost evolve him. Without further ado, let's get started with this episode. So, let's start by doing the next stage of this adventure mode, which is going to be Singapore. Let's attack. Oh yeah, I also changed my team. This is my team now. Oh, this is the golden one. It's a bit longer than this one. You can see the difference though. I think the golden one's stronger. I don't know, we'll see. I'm thinking next we'll try out this cat. But I also upgraded some of my stuff for like cat cannon range, the cooldown, and the money thing, and the money stuff. So. Yeah, see, it's going a lot faster than last time. Alright. I got the excavator cat. It's the excavator cat. No more firing anymore. Oh wow, they're weak. The Nunchaku cats, this guy's weak, bro. Whatever, it's fine. He did a lot of damage anyway. What? How much humans are there? We'll let them attack our base a bit. I actually got excavator. How much humans do they have? How much humans do they have? How much humans does Singapore have? I'm just getting money so I can summon Dr. Heaven real quick. Oh shoot. Whatever. I probably shouldn't have done that. This made this match a lot longer than it should have been. Alright, we summon this guy in now. Oh, we got one shot. Alright. A new cat. We'll see that. What new cat we get? It's a special one. I can't get that. I'm broke. Why did they have to name it like that? Just why? Alright. Alright, I'm broke again. Alright. Lucky capsules. Event ones. Alright. Let's continue. Wait, I think we can get more cat food. We're doing this. We're just gonna get a bunch of cat food. Alright, now we can still not get this, but let's see what meow medals we can get. Okay, let's get started. Maldives is next. Alright, back. Alright. No, I should have wasted my... They're destroyed. They're so destroyed. Oh shoot. No, it's still done. It's still done. That one thing screwed the enemy team. Okay. That's crazy. Okay, whatever. Alright. Cat job, Sniper the cat. Alright, we're in India now. Attack. I'm just gonna keep progressing through the story. So. No way. Wait, should we do it again? Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do it again. Imagine if this guy solos. These 4 cats solo. Alright. Oh, crud, we got a hippo. Yeah, we got a hippo, we need that. Oh, you get solo hippo, you get solo hippo. Like that. He just one-tapped up. Alright, what mission do we complete? Alright, we complete another mission. 20 cat food. Alright. Got a lot of XP now. Let's see if we can upgrade anything. Fine if we can't. But alright, 98k. Should I buy something from the store? I feel like it's a scam. Probably because it is. Yeah, it is a scam. It is a scam. There's no point buying it from the store. Well, whatever. Alright, we're going on to Nepal. Okay, 2 pickaxe sticks. Okay. We have to... The excavator's not attacking. Alright, we completed another mission. Alright. A new cat waiting to be upgraded. Let's go with another racing. Okay. Got some speed up. Now. let's check our cats. Samurai cat. I'll just get it. Okay, night cat now. Now let's see what we get from the rare cat capsule. We'll get a cat one biscuit. Oh, I think we got something good. Let's go. We just got another uber super rare. We got Papaluga. How much is he worth? No, I'm not gonna sell this guy. I'm using this guy right now. Yes. Alright. We will now, we're gonna replace someone with, Papaluga. I don't want to replace the macho cats, because they're macho cats. So, I think I might replace the excavator cat. Yeah, he's worth 3K. Okay. Now, oh, we got 50,000 XP. Great. Alright, we'll start. Alright, now we can get this guy. Alright, let's save him up. Wow. Alright, that was a devastating. Well, now we can summon this guy. Alright. Let's see what he can do. I think he's good. Considering he's worth 3,000, I think he's pretty good. He should be really good. Considering he's worth 3,000. Get him. Okay. He's still pretty good considering he's like... The only downside is probably that he's kind of slow. So. He's down. All right. Adding that this guy does a whole lot of damage, so it's uber rare that I got here. Oh shoot. Dr. Ever just one-shot that page. Alright. Alright, let's go to Saudi Arabia now. I hit already. Alright, let's get ready to play some weightlifting cat. Why did I waste my cat cannon on one enemy? Oh yeah, it was one. One second ago. Alright. Oh, I didn't. Oh, okay. Alright, we'll go to Kenya now. I'll just use Macho Cats and the wall cats for this one. This includes a gold one. I can use this cannon. Actually, no. I'm already killing it, man. I'm already killing it, man. Alright, we got a treasure. Alright, next episode, we will continue more on the story. And, let's see how much of the story there's 48 stages, I think. So I think we've done almost half of it. So the next episode, we'll continue with the story and, try and upgrade our cats to get more cat food. And, so yeah. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like and subscribe. The first episode is going to be in the link in the description and the Discord server as well for GBC. And stay tuned for the next episode. Goodbye.